let me also recognize in a special way the Kisii FM team who are here, led by our director. I'm so humbled to welcome you, together with Shelly Kadot and the technical team who can't make it here because they are behind the equipment. Wapigie makofi wanapokuja tafadhali.
Hamjambo. Mko poa? Mimi naitwa Bernard Otema, director, lakini department yangu ni ya marketing.
Nawasalimia mjambo. Hi kids. Hebu nione kwa mikono. Hi. Hi. Mmefurahia leo kutuona hapa? Asanteni sana, hata mimi pia nimefurahia kuwaona siku ya leo. Mimi kwa majina naitwa Shelly Depaul. Okay, nimefurahia sana kukua hapa. Watoto, zile talent ambazo mmeonyesha hapa, I'm telling you, nyinyi mtaenda mbali sana. Mbali na hizo talent, naomba na kuwahimiza ya kwamba mtie bidii katika masomo yenu ambao mnafanya. I'm so proud of you guys. Ukijaribu kuangalia records za hii shule, it's doing so well. Na watoto, they are so disciplined, so we expect much from you. And then for the class 8, na watakia kila laheri, mnaenda kukaa mtihani wenu, na wacha Mungu awasaidia, wakumbushe yale yote ambayo mmesoma wakati mlianza kutoka playgroup kuendelea. Na pia walimu, na wapongeza kwa kazi ambao mnafanya nzuri. Teacher Zawadi, wewe ndio umefanya hii kazi. Yeah, congratulations. Wacha Mungu akubariki pia. And for the director, thank you so much for just allowing us to come here. Wacha Mungu pia wewe akuzidishie. My colleagues, so wacha nipunguze maneno mingi. I'm Shelly Kadimpo, nafanya na Kisii FM. Asanteni.
My name is Ronald Mayaka, and I want to appreciate the school management for having been pleased that I speak to you for 1 minute. I've sat here and looked at what you people were presenting. I want you to listen keenly because I'm going to say something here before I sit down. I've watched keenly what you people have been presenting here, and I can tell you we have a future ahead of us with these young boys seated here. Can you clap for yourselves wherever you are? As the kids were giving their narration here, especially the narrative, it took me back to the days when I was a student at Cardinal Otunga High School, Mosocho. I had just come from a local primary school, unable to speak English. But in me, I had a passion of speaking to people. And let me tell you, there was something burning in me about radio, and I knew I wanted to become a journalist. One time, ladies and gentlemen who are here, I was given an opportunity to read a passage in a set book that we were reading then, Coming to Birth, by Majorie Oruthe Makigoye. Now, there is a passage in page 24. And there is this word I read, and I became a laughing stock in the entire school. The word anyone. I read it as anyone. I was in Form 1, very innocent, from a local primary school, trying to understand how things are done, because in me there was something burning, and I knew I wanted to go somewhere. People laughed. The teacher told me something. The teacher told me I looked like my mother. And by the way, I agreed with him because it's true, my mother never went to school. So the teacher was very right. But I said, yes, she didn't go to school, but I found myself in a high school where people speak English. Why won't I? And then I said, I'm going to do practice, and I'm going to do my best. Today I'm here speaking to you. Am I not speaking in English? Boys, listen to me. What I saw you present here, you guys are going places. Let nobody shut you down that you can't do it. Oh yes, you can do it. Let not somebody tell you that you can't be a good actor. In this country, we have people earning a living because of what? Acting.